Some days I wake up and think of all the men before me and the fools they were to ever let you slip through their fingers. They were such damn fools, you know. They were the type of people to watch the rain through their windows and say, "Don't you just love the rain?" I, on the other hand, was the only one to watch it pour outside, take my shoes off, and anxiously and bravely go dance madly new. I loved her, not for the ways she danced with my angels, but for the way the sound of her name could silence my demons. She was the rain. तेरे रहमत भी है मुनहसर, मेरे हर अमल की कबूलियत, ना मुझे सलीका इल्तिजा, ना मुझे शायरी नमाज है.